So in today's video, I will show you how to fix the license error on HEN. As you can see, I have these users, but I'm going to be using this for now. First off, enable HEN. Okay. You would need this package file and that, especially this. You can use this for downloading games. So let's install this first and then install webMAN after. Now the install process doesn't matter. You can install it either way. So if this is your first time installing Apollo Save Tool and launching it on this user, it's gonna extract files and there's a possibility it's gonna play sound. So I'm gonna disable it. Okay. I'm gonna disable that too. Okay. Go to user backup. Press X. Press X again. Press OK. It did come with a RAW file, but I took it out. So you won't see anything on the buyer. So go back to this, load it up. I'm gonna set my direct download instead of background download. Okay. Press X to change it. In order to save it, press triangle. Because if you press background download and you press circle, it's not gonna save it. So I press circle, triangle, as you can see. So let me change it again, and then I'll press triangle. As you can see, it saved it. So I'm gonna go back to direct. Now I'm gonna search the game that we installed. Press square. As long as you see the white icon next to wrap, that means it has a wrap file. Okay. And the reason why I set it to direct is because when I press X, it's gonna create a RIF file and then download from there. But I have the ability to cancel it because I already have it installed, so why would I need to re-download it? So press X on the game, creating root file. Okay, sometimes it'll get stuck. Just quit PKGi, then launch it again. Okay, I'm gonna search up the game again, re-download it. Once you see that, cancel it. So we're gonna check the game, the information. You should see the buyer is in post mods. I'm gonna launch it. It worked. Now I'm gonna show you something, and I'll also let you know this is the reason why the game works. It's because of webMAN. Install it. Go down, uninstall. And I'll show you the game, if it has a buyer or not. You can also tell if you don't have webMAN. It won't be below this if it's uninstalled. If it's installed, it will be below Package Manager. See? Nothing. So we're gonna install webMAN. Doesn't matter what edition you install, as long as you have it installed. But I'm gonna use full edition. To do that, hold L1, press X. So I'm gonna enable HEN, and I'll show you if the game has a buyer or not. As you can see, there's a buyer in post mods. Launch the game. As you can see, it worked. That's it for the video. Hope you liked it.